If you are using Fedora 43 or 42 and itching to get the latest Fedora 44, this quick video will show you how to do that. Normally, you should get a notification in the Software Center, but since the rollout happens gradually, it may be a few days or even a couple of weeks before you see this notification. And this is why the command line method is a short way to upgrade to Fedora 44 like right now. It just needs running these three commands: dnf upgrade refresh, dnf install dnf plugin system upgrade, and then dnf system upgrade download release version with the version number. The upgrades are safe, but as a responsible computer user, I copy the entire home directory on an external disk, like external SSD like this. Just my lazy way of making a backup. And this is optional. You can go without it, but it's always safe to make a backup. So if you have done that, just open a terminal and update your existing packages. The refresh options force refreshes the metadata and thus gives you all the new version information on the installed packages. If there are any packages to update, please do that. After that, install the DNF plugin system upgrade package. Note that the autocorrect doesn't work for this package, so you have to type it completely. Normally, this package is already installed on Fedora systems, but it doesn't hurt to check it. Next, you tell your Fedora system to download the Fedora 44 by specifying the version number in this way. And then it takes some time, and then it will show you how many new packages are being installed, upgraded, replaced, and downgraded. Confirm the step by entering the Y key. Once you proceed, it will download the packages. At some point, you will be asked to accept a key. Press Y and enter to continue. And if you really want, you can verify the authenticity of the key by going to the official security page. Scroll down a bit, and there you should see the keys displayed. Compare it with the one you saw in the terminal. I also had some external repos and it asked to check the key for that as well. I can see the URL and it seems fine as it comes from Proton, so I just pressed Y. All right, so around 5-6 minutes later, Fedora 44 has been downloaded on my system, but it is not installed yet. See, you can choose to install the new version or cancel it by deleting the downloaded packages. Both options are there at this stage. So to upgrade to Fedora 44, run the command sudo dnf-5 for offline reboot. I'll switch to my phone camera now as screen recording won't work anymore. Alright, so the actual installation happens out of the operating system. That's how Fedora handles regular system updates as well as it avoids conflicts. This may seem like a Windows thing, but you don't have to reboot multiple times here. Just one reboot and the installation, you know, happens. Uh, the actual installation takes some time, like 10 minutes or so. I won't bore you with all that, so I'm going to speed things up in the editing. So once upgrade installation is over, I'm asked to log in. Nice. Okay, you can see that my system is using the new Fedora 44. That's it. I hope it helps you jump on the new Fedora version quickly. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more Linux videos. Bye bye.